Is there any option for express shipping on Shein?
Hello viewers, today we're going to delve into the world of online shopping, specifically, addressing a popular question about the fast fashion e-commerce platform, Shein. Is there any option for express shipping on Shein? Fast shipping can be crucial when you're shopping for that perfect outfit for an upcoming event or simply can't wait to try out your new buys.
What is Shein?
Let's start with a brief introduction to Shein. Shein is an international B2C fast fashion e-commerce platform that offers a wide array of clothing, accessories, and beauty products, primarily targeting women, but also providing men's apparel, children's clothes, accessories, shoes, bags, and other fashion items.
Does Shein offer express shipping?
The answer is yes, Shein does offer express shipping. The availability of this shipping method and its speed may vary based on the delivery location and the items purchased. In general, express shipping significantly shortens the delivery time compared to standard shipping methods.
How can I use express shipping?
When checking out your items on Shein, you should see various shipping options, including express shipping. To use express shipping, simply select it as your preferred shipping method. Keep in mind that express shipping usually comes with a higher cost compared to standard shipping, reflecting the speed and efficiency of the service.
What about delivery times?
The specific delivery times for express shipping can vary depending on several factors such as your location, the time you placed your order, and the items you've ordered. However, typically express shipping should get your items to you in about 3 to 7 business days, which is considerably faster than standard shipping times. In conclusion, if you're shopping on Shein and need your items in a hurry, you do have the option of selecting express shipping for faster delivery. So whether it's for a last-minute outfit or a gift, you can rely on Shein to get it to you as quickly as possible. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your questions about express shipping on Shein. Happy shopping!